John, what kind of a case does the U.S. have here, and what are the implications, if any, for Google?
Well, they have in my estimation, a strong case. Google has a near monopoly when it comes to search. And through their enormous resources, they are able to stifle competition, it would appear. And this is going to be a litigation that's going to go on for years.
How might Google respond legally, and are they too big and too powerful at this point?
Well, Google will say that they attained their market share because they have a superior product. And, the government's going to take a lot of discovery and go through every email ever sent and see whether Google engaged in anti-competitive conduct. And ultimately, the real question is when the case eventually settles, and it will eventually settle, what terms is the government going to demand?
Mm-hmm. So this is an antitrust complaint. So in terms of federal laws and regulations that would create a fair playing field for companies to operate from, and again, that they're targeting Google for creating monopolies on some of these searches and conspiring with other companies to certainly stifle the competition. Does there need to be more regulations or more consequences for companies that push the envelope with this sort of thing?
Well, I think that regulation and antitrust litigation has its place, but ultimately, technology is moving so quickly that the next great search engine, that will eventually surpass Google, is probably just around the corner. And so at the end of the day, if you don't like what the big tech companies are doing, people can build their own tech and they can build their own companies. And, hopefully the antitrust suit will enable lots and lots of competition and innovation.
Well, maybe we'll have to ask Jeeves if he's still around. John Snyder, we really appreciate you being with us. Thanks for that.